Welcome to Storytime Pals. Subscribe to keep the stories coming.
Hi there, boys and girls. It's your pal Vernon. The next story I'll be reading to you is a really fun one called 5 Little Monkeys with Nothing to Do. Here we go. 5 little monkeys are bored. There is nothing to do, they say. Oh, yes, there is, their mama says. Grandma Bessie is coming for lunch, and the house must be neat and clean. So, you can pick up your room. Ooh, that's a good idea. That room is a mess. 5 little monkeys pick up and pick up and pick up. Until everything is put away. Ooh, that took forever. Good job, says Mama. But we're bored again, say the 5 little monkeys. There is nothing to do. Oh, yes, there is, says Mama. You can scrub the bathroom. The house must be neat and clean for Grandma Bessie. So, 5 little monkeys scrub and scrub and scrub until the bathroom shines. Good job, 5 little monkeys. Good job, says Mama. But we're bored again, say 5 little monkeys. There is nothing to do. Oh, yes, there is, says Mama. You can beat the dirt out of these rugs. The house must be neat and clean for Grandma Bessie. 5 little monkeys beat and beat and beat the rugs until there is not a speck of dirt left. Ooh, I'd be sneezing a lot with all that dirt. Good job, says Mama. But we're bored again, say 5 little monkeys. There is nothing to do. Oh, yes, there is, says Mama. You can pick up some berries down by the swamp. Grandma Bessie loves berries. Ooh, me too. 5 little monkeys run down to the muddy, muddy swamp. Uh-oh. They pick and pick and pick berries until Mama calls, "It's time to come home." Oh no! 5 little monkeys run inside while Mama picks flowers. "Put the berries in the kitchen," calls Mama. "Wash your faces and put on clean clothes." Uh-oh. 5 little monkeys wash their faces. Look at them scrubbing, getting nice and clean, huh? Oh, but they're making a mess too. And they put on clean clothes. Oh, and look at their room now. "Grandma Bessie's here," calls Mama. 5 little monkeys race outside. They hug and kiss Grandma Bessie. "We cleaned the house and picked berries just for you," they say. "I love berries," says Grandma Bessie. "And I love a clean house too." They all go inside. Uh-oh. "Oh my," says Grandma Bessie. "Oh dear," says Mama. "Oh no," say 5 little monkeys. "Who messed up our nice clean house?" Silly monkeys. I can't imagine," says Mama. "But whoever did has plenty to do." The end. Woo! Wow. They cleaned up the house and then they got it all messy again. Have you ever done that when you helped your mom and dad clean the house? Well, thanks for joining me once again, boys and girls. I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching Storytime Pals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.